If you're tired of scouring the internet for clean treats and healthy desserts, the cookbook that you've been waiting for is here. That's right, I am so excited to add my 5th book to my incredible collection of already family-friendly cookbooks, the Clean Treats Cookbook. Unlike the others, this book is solely dedicated to desserts and snacks. And it's not just for kids, it's for everyone. It is not a low-carb, low-fat, keto, or any fat diet cookbook, although nearly all those recipes fit many of those descriptions. It's simply a really good desserts cookbook made with no refined ingredients. So if you're tired of converting recipes from across the internet to suit your clean eating and gluten-free dietary needs, this book is for you. Let me show you what's inside the Clean Treats Cookbook. I divided the cookbook in 3 main sections: oven-fresh treats, no-bake treats, warm drinks and smoothies, shakes, and frozen treats. Essentially from the oven, no oven, and everything else. If you think dessert and immediately look for baking recipes like the blueberry oat bread, the pumpkin spice coffee cake, the double chocolate banana bread, hold up, let's take a look at that banana bread up close. Wow. The brownies, a lemon loaf that's as good if not better than the coffee house one. Also, all the recipes in the cookbook are gluten-free, but in addition, I've marked which ones are also dairy-free, egg-free, vegan, and nut-free. And because I want everyone to grab a copy of the Clean Treats Cookbook and not be limited by food allergies and intolerances, I have an entire section dedicated to modifications, substitutions, and tips on how to make those swaps and enjoy an epic healthy treat. Most importantly, all the recipes have been tested with the dietary modifications, leaving little to the imagination or wondering if it will actually turn out. You'll also find lemon bars, carrot cake bars, raspberry crumble bars, and pies in the baked section. For many of us, baking means cookies and the like. So from soft baked ginger snaps to snickerdoodles, chocolate cookies, and scones, that section is incredible. The hardest part will be waiting for the treats to cool down. There's a section called Bite-Sized and Delish that is filled with snack bites, truffles, no-bake cookies, and almond butter or peanut butter cups that 100% compete with my favorite Halloween treat. Now, the no-bake bar section is epic. From easy granola bars you can whip up quickly, salted peanut butter treats, and magic bars with a gooey caramel top, and yes, I also give you my secret recipe to the homemade caramel. Creamy and delicious, strawberry shortcake bars that taste like summer even if it's in the middle of December and you just want to use up those frozen strawberries from the summer. To a bar that is so epic, I didn't know what to call it until the last night before I had to turn in the book. MOMables. Check them out. A crispy, nutty base, a cream-like middle, and a sweet and salty top layer that simply melts in your mouth and has had me many nights at 3 a.m. sneaking to the freezer for just one more bite. I shall leave no celebrations hanging with the no-bake pies and cheesecakes section. It is really hard to believe, but every single recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free, and they taste like $1,000,000. From banana cream pie that will leave you licking the spatula as you spread the cream topping, a chocolate cheesecake so epic I kept eating the frozen slices one bite at a time, to a blueberry cheesecake that will impress even the strongest critics, to a pumpkin cheesecake that will surely be enjoyed year-round, to a peanut butter cup cheesecake that is out of this world. I know, these might all sound a tad indulgent, but like Amy from the Health Beat said, Laura proves that you can stick to your health goals without feeling deprived. And friends, the last thing I want for you is to feel deprived when it comes to desserts. For days where you just want something sweet and the drive-thru of your favorite coffee house is calling your name, the caramel macchiato and the pumpkin spice latte is just what you want. I've left no area of healthier baking and figuring out what to make as a healthy dessert with clean ingredients with this cookbook. Make sure to grab a copy with the link below so you can make some of the recipes that I'm going to be sharing in future videos. Let's do this.